I'm sorry I'm backlit today, but I did wanted to show you something that I'm ridiculously proud of. So if you remember from our reading in the Discovery of Germs, in the first chapter, um, um, the author John Krieger talks about making your own Leeuwenhoek like microscope, and he got the idea, or at least he mentions the Keeling lab. So I actually went to YouTube, and I'll link to it, and got the full description on how to do it. I just say it took some practice and some real patience, and like I could not use it with my smartphone. It may be because I have a Pixel, and there are actually two lenses in the front. Although even when I tried it with the lens on the the reverse side of my phone, I really struggled to make it go, but it did work really well with my webcam. So I'm going to show that now. So I'm going to be juggling a lot of different devices. Please be patient with me. But if
I've
you
got
can
my,
see the capillary that I sort of heated into a sphere at the end there. So I'm going to, and I've got some tacky to kind of hold it together. And I'm going to sort of adjust it. There we go. And now I've got some lake water. I went to the beach yesterday. It probably looks like a lunatic place because, of course, I brought my handmade Leeuwenhoek microscope with me. But what I found works pretty well is, sorry, I'm going to prop my phone here. So what I found works pretty well is just like a sandwich bag or something, and you can I'm gonna mix up the lake water. You see that? And I'm a little afraid to pour it over my computer. Wish me luck. There we go. See what kind of little beasties are in here, huh? Alright, so next thing, I'm gonna try to use the tacky to kind of hold it to the lens that I made. See, like I'm really grappling here. Maybe fix it in post, am I right? So, and all right. Okay, I don't know if you can, I want to try to get the focus a little better, but yeah, you can see a little something in there. The other thing I can do is shine an LED light, and that makes it a lot clearer. Oh, look at those little, see the little beasties going there. And I can move the, what I'm doing right now is just moving the little sandwich bag so you can see everything kind of moving around. I just, and the reason I kind of wanted to show this is, first of all, I'll include in the sort of an optional class 4 material. I'm just moving the light around, and that's kind of changing how the light is moving through the lens I made. And I'll move the tacky so you can, oh, look at that. Amazing. I just think this stuff is so incredible. And I'll tell you why. This is probably the class that, one of the classes that most resonate with me, because I had my own Leeuwenhoek moment. So when I was, I think, about 12, I saw a drop of pond water under a microscope for the first time. I'll agitate them so you can see the beasties moving again. I don't think I had the word entropy at that point. It's one of the laws of thermodynamics, this idea that everything tends to, from a state of, large, few, complex things to a lot of small, simple things. And so the fact that there was all these impossibly tiny critters, so small that they were invisible when you just looked at the pond water, and yet they were obviously so complex and doing me so many mysterious, wonderful things. It was, I think, what other people mean when they use the word miraculous is kind of what I felt at that moment. And it was like it was defying entropy, or defying, this fundamental law of the universe. And that was the moment I knew that this is what I was gonna do. I was gonna spend my life investigating this impossibly tiny world. So I hope you enjoy this class at least half as much as I do. If you do, you will have so much fun.